So today we're going to make lemon zest. For this you'll need 2 lemons, 85 grams of unsalted butter, 225 grams of granulated sugar and 3 eggs. First, you take your 2 lemons, zest them and juice them. The juice will go into a bowl with the sugar, butter and eggs. If you whisk those and whisk them until they start to form a ribbon stage, this ribbon stage is when the egg yolk and butter and sugar mix starts to sit up nice and thick. You've achieved the right thickness once you're able to coat the back of a spoon. This can be illustrated in a second when you can see in the video the spoon is coated, it's nice and thick and it doesn't run off the spoon. At this point you will need to sieve it into a container. This is to remove any lumps of egg that wouldn't be so professional or pleasant in the mouth. Just kind of finishes it nicely. After you've sieved it, you can add your lemon zest. The lemon zest will give you an additional hit of lemon and a freshness to the lemon curd. Stir this in and then you're able to transfer it to a sterilised pot. That's everything for today. That's lemon curd. I hope you enjoy. Thank you, bye.